हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज हम इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का चैप्टर द थीफ स्टोरी 1.2 करने वाले हैं, विच इज़ रिटन बाय रस्किन बॉन्ड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. इस चैप्टर में वी हैव ओनली टू कैरेक्टर्स, अनिल एंड हरी. आई वॉज स्टिल अ थीफ व्हेन आई मेट अनिल, and though only 15, that means Hari was actually 15 years old, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. That means he was very good at stealing. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25. Now here he is describing Anil, who is 25 years old, about 25 years old, a tall, lean fellow. And he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. I had not had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. So he tried to flatter Anil. A little flattery helps in making friends. So सी यहाँ पे अनिल ने कैसे रिप्लाई किया. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? ये किसने पूछा? अनिल ने. So Hari replied, Hari Singh. I lied. So Hari का actual नाम was not Hari. He lied. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers, so that the police would not be able to catch him because he was a thief, right? After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting. Grunting means वो जो आवाज़, the low sounds that they were making during the fight, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say because he was not actually interested. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. Appealing means trying to get attention. I want to work for you, I said. So Anil replied, but I can't pay you. I thought that over for a minute. मैंने एक मिनट के लिए सोचा इस बारे में. What he thought, perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? So Anil asked, can you cook? तो हरी ने कहा, I can cook. I lied again. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He took me to his room. Okay, यहाँ पे अनिल का रेसिडेंशियल एड्रेस दिया है, where he used to live, over the Jamna sweet shop, and told me that I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible, because how did Hari know that the meal was terrible? Because Anil gave it to a stray dog and then told me to be off. To be off means to go away. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. Later, he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he'll teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. That means he was happy, he was grateful that Anil is going to teach him how to write his name, how to write whole sentences, how to add numbers. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. That means फिर उसको आगे चोरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supply, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. That means उसमें से भी वो एक आध रुपया खुद रख लेता था. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. हरी को पता था कि अनिल न्यू कि हरी 1-2 रुपया रख लेता है without Anil's permission, but still Anil never mind. Anil made money by fits and starts. Fits and starts means in short, irregular intervals. थोड़े थोड़े वक्त से he used to earn money. He would borrow one week and lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and then celebrate with his friends. It seems he used to write for magazines actually. It seems he wrote for magazines. A queer way to make a living. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. That means चोरी की लाइन में अब तक वो जो 1-2 रुपया वो रख लेता था, उसके अलावा उसने और कोई चोरी अनिल के घर से नहीं की थी. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man because sometimes he does not even notice he is being robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself, I'm out of practice. अब हरी ने क्या सोचा कि चलो अब बहुत वक्त हो गया, आई एम आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, बहुत वक्त से मैंने चोरी नहीं की, तो उसने खुद से कहा कि अब थोड़ा कुछ काम कर लेता हूँ. एंड इफ़ आई डोंट टेक द मनी ही विल ओनली वेस्ट इट ऑन हिज फ्रेंड्स. कि अगर हरी ये पैसे नहीं चुराएगा तो अनिल के पास जो पैसे हैं वो जाकर वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ सेलिब्रेट करके वेस्ट कर देगा. आफ्टर ऑल ही डज़ नॉट इवन पे मी. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. अब planning चल रही है हरी की, क्या करना है. He will have to escape after he steals the money from Anil. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Unlined means there was no sign of any worry या कोई anxiety, कुछ चिंता नहीं थी. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars because हरी thief था तो कभी वो पकड़ा गया होगा, इसलिए उसको मतलब हाथापाई वगैरह में लग गया होगा, इसलिए he had mostly scars and marks on his face. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes, and when I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. फिर भाग गया हरी. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. तो कितना था पैसा? Underline this, 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. 1-2 हफ्ते तो निकल जाएंगे अच्छे खासे आराम से. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. Obviously, I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed. यानी इतनी तेज़ रफ्तार अब तक ट्रेन ने नहीं ली थी. हरी चढ़ सकता था. And I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. यानी कुछ हिचकिचाहट हुई, हरी के मन में कोई बात आ गई जिसके वजह से वो नहीं जा पाया. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. कोई नहीं था, खाली था platform, and Hari there was alone. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. That means कौन? Anil. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. यानी स्टार्ट में भी हरी ने बताया था कि दो ही वॉज ओनली 15 बट ही हैड अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस, बहुत चोरी कर चुका था आज तक, वो एक अच्छा खासा चोर बन चुका था. सो बहुत एक्सपीरियंस था उसको एंड ही न्यू कि हाउ पीपल रिएक्टेड व्हेन दे केम टू नो कि दे हैव लॉस्ट देयर गुड्स. द ग्रीडी मैन शोड फियर, द रिच मैन शोड anger, गुस्सा, and the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. यानी हरी को पता था कि जब अनिल को पता चलेगा कि he had been robbed, तो he would be very upset, he would be very sad, not for the loss of money but for the loss of trust, क्योंकि he had trusted हरी और हरी ने उसके ट्रस्ट को तोड़ दिया था, उसे बिट्रे कर दिया था. सो अनिल वुड बी अपसेट. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. The night was chilly, that means it was cold because it was early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight, आधी रात हो चुकी थी. I felt for the notes. They were damp. Damp means wet from the rain. Anil's money. In the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. यानी अगर वो पैसे नहीं चुराता तो सुबह में शायद ही अनिल उसमें से कुछ पैसे हरी को दे ही देता. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals. यानी अब हरी के पास पूरे पैसे थे बट अनिल नहीं था, अनिल की फ्रेंडशिप नहीं थी. जो रूटीन वो रोज़ अनिल के घर में फॉलो करता था, कुकिंग का, बाज़ार जाने का, पढ़ाई करने का, सेंटेंसेस, कैलकुलेशंस एंड ऑल सीखने का, ये सब नहीं मिलेगा. आई कुडंट कुक हिज मील्स, रन टू द बाज़ार और लर्न टू राइट होल सेंटेंसेस एनी मोर. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, यानी बहुत आसान था चोरी करना, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and राइट. यानी हरी ने क्या सोचा कि उसे वापस अनिल के पास वापस चले जाना चाहिए, फिर से वहाँ चले जाना चाहिए अनिल के पास. आई हरीड बैक टू द रूम फीलिंग वेरी नर्वस, फॉर इट इज़ मच ईजियर टू स्टील समथिंग दैन टू रिटर्न इट अनडिटेक्टेड. अनडिटेक्टेड मतलब पता नहीं चलना चाहिए कि इसने चोरी किया था. आई ओपन द डोर क्वाइटली, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. Anil अभी भी सो रहा था. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. I awoke late next morning. यानी हरी अगली सुबह लेट उठा and what he found that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. यानी अनिल ने हरी को खुद 50 rupee note दिया. My heart sank. That means he felt depressed. I thought I had been discovered. उसे लगा कि अनिल को सब कुछ पता चल गया है. I made some money yesterday, he explained. अनिल ने कहा कि मैंने कुछ पैसे अर्न किया हूँ कल. नाउ यू विल बी पेड रेगुलरली. माई स्पिरिट्स रोज. दैट मीन्स ही बिकेम होपफुल अगेन. बट व्हेन आई टुक द नोट आई सॉ इट वॉज स्टिल वेट फ्रॉम द नाइट्स रेन. यानी नोट्स अभी भी डैम्प ही थे, वेट थे. टुडे विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग सेंटेंसेस, ही सेड. दैट मीन्स अनिल ने बहुत नॉर्मल रिएक्ट किया, दो ही न्यू एक्चुअली, बिकॉज नोट्स अभी भी गीले थे, वेट थे. सो अनिल को पता चल गया था, बट बिकॉज हरी वापस आ गया और उसने पूरा पैसा भी वापस रख दिया था अनिल के पास ही, और वो नहीं गया। इसलिए अनिल ने बहुत ही नॉर्मल रिएक्ट किया एंड ही टोल्ड हिम कि आज हम सेंटेंसेस लिखना शुरू करेंगे। ही न्यू बट नाइदर हिज लिप्स नॉर हिज आइज शोड एनीथिंग। I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself. This time फ्लैटरी वाली स्माइल नहीं थी जो स्टार्ट में हरी अनिल को दे रहा था, इस बार वैसी नहीं थी। इट वॉज़ अ जेन्युइन स्माइल विच केम विदाउट एनी एफर्ट। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so we are done with this chapter. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts or difficulties. Also don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe our channel. हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना नेक्स्ट कौन सा सब्जेक्ट आप लोगों को समझना है एंड कौन सा चैप्टर समझना है। ओके, बाय।